everybody how I make my makeup remover wipes. They're really easy to make and they don't cost very much at all. You're going to need a really good paper towel, a good quality paper towel, some baby wash, and some coconut oil. You're also going to need some water. The first thing I do is cut my paper towel in half, and I use a flat blade, not a serrated blade. End up with bits everywhere otherwise. Right, and then you'll have your half a paper towel. So with this, I'm going to pop it into a container. So this container is a Systema 900 mils, that one. Take the lid off. And if you just squeeze your paper towel so that it's got a bit of a fold in it, that's how it will go in best. Squish that in. And now we're moving on to mixture. So for the mixture, you'll need a cup of water, tablespoon and a half of coconut oil, and half a tablespoon of baby wash. Half a tablespoon of baby wash. So then with that mixture, pop that in the microwave for about a minute until the coconut oil has melted. Okay, so that was about 1.5 minutes for me. Just stir all of the ingredients together. Okay, and then simply pour over your paper towels. Go right around to the edge. And let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then we'll pull out the core. That's been sitting there for a couple of minutes, so just pull out the core of the paper towel. Don't do this while it's dry. Just comes out cleanly, like that. And then you're right, just to pull your first wipe out from the center. And that's ready to use. So I always let my wipes sit for a couple of hours just to really get all the water in and around and to cool down the mixture because it's really too hot at the moment. And there you have it. They are my makeup remover wipes.